Hi, I'm Matt with CAD Dimensions. This Polyjet application guide is on medical and dental.
In the medical field, there is a great need for improved models for education, training, and preclinical device testing. These models help prepare emerging surgeons for procedures, update current surgeons on unique pathologies, and enable medical device manufacturers to test their innovations. There are limitations and ethical concerns with acquiring animal or cadaver medical models, but Polyjet 3D printing offers anatomically accurate, biomechanically realistic, highly functional models created directly from human anatomy scans. There are a range of tissue properties available from bone to soft tissue and an integration of anatomical microstructure. Complex multi-texture models such as spine with vertebrae, discs, and nerve roots, and hearts with valves, annulus, and calcification are all possible. These highly accurate, realistic, and functional models enable simulation of clinical procedures such as drilling, reaming, cutting, suturing, and device placement. The J750 digital anatomy printer from Stratasys comes pre-programmed with a series of anatomical applications, developed in partnership with device manufacturers, world-class research institutions, hospitals, and medical personnel. It takes the guesswork out of material selection by automatically assigning the material compositions and generating internal structures. Polyjet is driving the medical industry forward with fast, accurate, and highly functional models. 3D printing in the dental industry is advancing rapidly, and traditional methods prevent labs from meeting growing demand. The multi-material capabilities of Polyjet unlock a variety of applications for dental and orthodontic labs. A dental 3D printer with multiple materials is like having 3 printers in one. It offers the ability to print a range of cases such as implant models with soft tissue that mimic gum textures, custom-fit surgical guides, indirect bonding trays, clear aligners, crown and bridge models, and many more. Digital storage allows for appliance production without needing new impressions from patients, saving on space and chair time. The new J5 DentaJet from Stratasys is the most comprehensive and versatile dental 3D printer available today. It's fast, accurate, and doesn't require high levels of expertise to operate. With digital dentistry using Polyjet, labs can grow their businesses, produce exceptional quality models, and shorten their turnaround time.
If you're curious about other Polyjet applications, check out the other videos in this series, where I cover topics such as molding and rapid prototyping. Thanks for watching.